How to change the clock face style of your Galaxy Watch 8 or any of the Watch 8 models, and this is without using the app. So let's just say you currently are viewing your clock face like this here, and you're just gonna go ahead and long press it. So go ahead and long press that, and it'll take you to this menu mode here where you can swipe across and choose those that are already available, or go to the far right and tap on Add Watch Face. Here you can go in and select any of the pre-installed clock face watch styles that are available on your watch itself. You can also connect to the app and get more if you want, but just without the app here, you get plenty of them. All right. Now, once you find the one that you want, just go ahead and select it. It's going to appear like this here. You can choose to customize it by tapping on customize and go through all the different options. Each one has a different set of options, whether it's complications or colors and all that stuff. And once you're done with your changes, press the power button once and it is going to save it as your new clock face style. And that's that for this guide here. Like and sub.